welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jessica Sin. I talk about investing and lifestyle, and in this video, in our cryptocurrency series, I'm going to talk about how you can make money with crypto even if you're a beginner, you're fairly new, and you don't know much about trading. You can still make money. In fact, there are many ways for you to make money with crypto, and these are just a few that you can try if you don't know about trading. So before you actually do it, do register for a Bybit account by using the link below. So Bybit is a crypto exchange platform that allows you to buy and hold cryptocurrencies and also trade futures contracts so that you can do scalping, day trading, swing trading with leverage. And then you can also do copy trading, which is you copy the results of other successful traders. So copy trading means that you're actually copying the trades of other traders that are professionals. So even if you don't know how to trade, you don't know which cryptocurrency to buy, when to buy and when to sell, you know, how to define your entry points, exit points, how to read chart patterns, you don't know what candlesticks mean even, you can still make good money because you follow the results of other traders who make money. So here I am on the Bybit platform where I am trading cryptocurrencies. Now you can do spot trading, buy and hold your favorite cryptocurrencies and sell a high to make a profit. Derivatives, trade futures contracts using leverage. Buy and sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Earn passive income by staking cryptocurrencies. Staking is just like fixed deposits, but for cryptocurrencies. So just deposit your cryptocurrencies, lock it up, and then you can earn as high as 18% annual percentage yield or even more for some tokens. So if you want to learn more, keep watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will teach you more about crypto and also join my crypto Telegram group. Now, before we go into the historical results of long-term buying and holding Bitcoin, let us look at copy trading. So this enables you to earn from other traders that have the technical knowledge. And oh, look at this one. 160.51% returns in the past 30 days. And his drawdown is only 0.87%. Might as well say that throughout the past 30 days of trading, his loss is almost zero and his gains are 160%. That is very cool, right? So let's say we want to follow the trades of this trader because he makes such good returns, triple digit within 30 days, and his maximum drawdown, maximum loss is only less than 1%. And the AUM, assets under management, which means the total amount of investments from followers that are copying this trader, their investments total up to more than 260,000 US dollars. So a lot of people are actually following this trader. So let's say you want to copy trades as well, right? Then you just click on copy. Okay, so in smart copy mode, we can start copy trading easily, right? Now, let's say you want to copy maybe 1,000 US dollars. If you have that amount of funds in your copy trading account. So if you have deposited funds into your spot trading account, then you need to move your USDT from your spot trading account into your derivatives account before you can copy trade. So if you do not know how to do that, then just leave a comment or message me on social media or, message me on Telegram. The link is in the description section below, so I will answer all your questions and even guide you through how to actually use the platform to do everything you want to do on Bybit. Right? Now, copy stop loss. So what is this? It means that you limit the risk of your copy positions if your accumulated losses with a master trader reach a specific amount. So let's say you commit 1,000 US dollars to follow this trader's trades, right? And let's say the maximum loss you can tolerate is like 300 US dollars. So if $300 are being lost because you are following this trader and he or she does not make good trading decisions,
within a short period of time and you lost $300. Then the system will stop you from copying this trader automatically from then onwards, right? So if the accumulated losses of your copy positions reach this limit, then it will stop there, right? So this can help you to protect your portfolio and, don't let your losses exceed this limit that you set here. Now, Bybit Copy Guard, it means that you can wait to copy an order at an optimal price if needed, instead of only opening the trade at the same time as the master trader. So let's say the master trader decides to short Bitcoin now at like 25K. So maybe you think that you do not want to short Bitcoin at 25K, you got the signal, but you want to wait a bit and, choose a more optimal price, then yeah, you can choose for yourself. Just, switch on Bybit Copy Guard, so you have the option to choose to copy an order at an optimal price where you can, set yourself instead of just automatically following the copy trader all the way. More settings. So here you can choose the max position margin per contract. This means that, let's say you choose like $500. So when the trader reaches a position margin of 500 USDT in a single contract, you will automatically stop copying for the day. So this limits your position margin per contract for the day. So let's say we put 200. It's the maximum we want to enter into a contract per day. Daily position limit. So once the trader reaches an amount worth of positions in a single day, then you will automatically stop copying the trader for the day. So you can choose to set a limit as well if you want. And then there's the stop loss ratio per order, take profit ratio per order, max slippage per order. So slippage is the difference between where the computer signaled the entry and exit for a trade and where actual clients, which are you, with actual money, entered and exited the market using the computer's signals. So sometimes there might be some delay, Let's say the master trader shorts Bitcoin at 25,000 US dollars. But a few seconds later, say 10 seconds later, only the computer executes your trade, which is following the master trader's trades. So because of this 10 seconds, perhaps Bitcoin's price might have moved away from 25,000 US dollars already, because Bitcoin is so volatile. And especially if you trade altcoins, other cryptos, they are even more volatile. Within a few seconds or 1 minute, the price difference, the deviation from the initial price can be quite large. So you could set a max slippage per order. Let's say you set it at 0.5%. So let's say master trader shorts Bitcoin at 25K and you want to short Bitcoin as well because you're copying this trader. But let's say within a few seconds delay, Bitcoin's price fell by 0.5% or more. So if you short, the system would let you short at, say, 24875, which is 0.5%. So it will still be executed. But let's say it falls lower than that, more than 0.5% from the entry price of master trader. Then, because you set it at 0.5%, your trade will not be executed, right? So choose a contract. So there are many types of contracts that you can choose to follow the master trader's trades. So the master trader trades BTC, ETH, blah, 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 blah. So you can see many coins. Let's say you don't want to choose the contracts of some coins that you think are too volatile. So then you can choose to opt out. Like, let's say I don't want to trade this one. Then I can, click on it. So if it is grayed out, you would not be following the trades of these contracts. Then let's say the rest, you're okay. Then you just press confirm. And then you can start to copy trade, right? So Just fill in and make sure that you have enough funds. Then you can start to do copy trading. Just like you buy stocks, you will buy different types of stocks, right? Not just one company. If you buy cryptocurrencies, perhaps you will buy different types of coins. So during copy trading, you can also copy trade different people and not just stick to one in case this person doesn't do well the next month. So at least you have other people that are still performing well to protect your portfolio and ensure that you keep making money. So yeah, check out copy trading. It is really easy to get started. Just copy. Now, some of these traders, they're already full house, right? So you can't copy anymore. So yeah, check this out. You can look at all master traders as well, and you can even filter by their rank, right? Bronze, silver, gold, master trader type, top traders by their ROI, which means you can filter the ones that make the most profits. You can filter by your own country as well, if you want to support the traders in your own country.
Now, apart from copy trading, if you do not know much about cryptocurrencies, then you can still make money by buying low and selling high. Of course, there are many cryptocurrencies to choose from, so I encourage you to, just choose from the top 10, and better ones would be choose the first largest, which is Bitcoin, or the second largest, which is Ethereum, or within the top 5, which will be safer.
Now, an easy way to make money with cryptocurrencies is just to simply buy and hold for the long term, no matter what. So you don't care even if it is crashing or it is rallying. Again, you just keep buying Bitcoin and be patient to hold for the long term. So what you can do is actually employ a dollar cost averaging strategy, which means that you keep buying Bitcoin consistently. Let's say every month you commit a specific amount, let's say 1,000, to buy Bitcoin every month, no matter what price it is trading at. So let's say this month you would buy it at a slightly higher price, and then next month Bitcoin drops again, you buy it at a lower price, and then another month it goes up again, you buy it at a higher price. So if you keep on doing this for the months and months to come, over time, you will actually be buying at the average price, which is in between the high price and the low price. So you won't have to worry too much about buying too high at the top of the chart. To see the impact of having a dollar cost averaging strategy over the long term, let's say we commit to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin every month for 5 years. We do it consistently every month. We buy 1,000 worth for 5 years, and we start 5 years ago. And we compare the performance to other assets. So let's see how Bitcoin performed. So let's say you buy 5 years ago. Over time, 1,000 every month for 5 years, you would have invested $60,000 in Bitcoin over 5 years. And your portfolio would have grown to more than 200K US dollars at the end of 5 years. So that is actually a gain of 272% over 5 years. And this is even accounting for after the market crash. So the market crashed in 2021 year end, right? Until now, even in early 2023, we are still in a bear market in the late phase. Yet, considering that Bitcoin's price has fell so much, your portfolio would still be up 272%, even after the crash, the big crash where Bitcoin fell by more than 75%, right? So let's compare to other assets. Dow Jones, right? DJI. What is Dow Jones? Dow Jones 30 Index is a stock market index of 30 companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. So this includes some of the oldest and largest companies that are very stable in the US, right? And if you had invested the same amount, 60,000 across 5 years in the Dow Jones, your portfolio would have only grown to 72,000. That is only a 20.85% return over 5 years. And if you had invested the same amount in gold over 5 years, this 60,000 will only turn into $67,739, which is only a 12.9% gain over the past 5 years. So here you can see how Bitcoin outperformed other assets over the long term. Look at Bitcoin's price. Over the years, it has definitely increased dramatically, although crashed here. Now we are somewhere around 25K. But still, comparing to 5 years ago, we still made good profits, right? Even after such a big crash. So if you want to start buying and investing in Bitcoin or other coins, then go to Bybit, join me to trade or invest in Bybit. Go to trade, spot trading, and then click on the coin you want to buy.
So that's it for this video. Now there are many ways to make money with cryptocurrencies, but in this video I'm just touching on these two: copy trading and also buying and holding for the long-term dollar cost averaging. So in other videos I will teach you other ways, and also, if you want to learn more about trading and have some crypto analysis and updates, do follow me for more videos. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you learned something, you like this video, and to support me, just click on the like button. And if you're new, do remember to join my Telegram group, which I've created for people who are fairly new to crypto. There I will share how to actually get started to trade your own coins or buy and sell, and also, do staking, copy trading, and much more. So I will see you in the Telegram group, and check out the description section below for more interesting stuff. Alright, see you and thank you for watching.